Okay guys, so today I'm gonna show you how you can remove the front headlight in the right side. They're gonna be the same ways in the both sides, yeah, for this Kia Sportage from 2017. Okay, but first of all you're gonna have to see the video how I remove the bumper, yeah, to make sense, yeah, when you have to remove the headlight, yeah. Okay, first watch the video how I remove the front bumper for this Kia Sportage, and after watch the way how I remove the front headlight for this Kia Sportage, okay, because you can't remove the headlight without the bumper. Okay, so let's remove the this big bolt first with the 12 mil, and after we have these two screws here. Whoop. With 10 mil, yeah. Always put the screws somewhere safe, yeah, where you don't have to lose them or something. Yeah, we're gonna have to shake a bit to see where we have any other screws. Okay, boom, as you can see I just remove it, yeah, but what I've done, I removed these 3 screws, and here has a slide. Okay, but first let's remove the plug, and I'm gonna show you. Boom, I remove the plug, the big one, and now this small one, and now let's take it out. Yeah, as you can see here, yeah, so when you're gonna have to remove the headlight, you just, what you have to do, just grab the headlight like that. For me it was much easier because the car was being damaged, yeah, and the headlight was already out, yeah, in for one of the bracket. But what you're gonna have to do when you remove the headlight, what you have to do, just grab the headlight on from this side, yeah, and from this side, and just pull it out, yeah, just like that, or just pull and shake in the same time, yeah. And after that unplug the plugs, and this is it. This is the way how you remove the headlight. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this video and you find it helpful, you can give me one like, you can share it with your friends. Okay, if you're not subscribed yet, you can go subscribe to my channel. If you want to support the channel, go to my website snstuning.co and buy some stuff for you, or for your own car, or for some friends. Okay, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.